Well, new data shows just how much working families are struggling financially. The stats from 2018 and 19 released by the United Way of Pennsylvania. Sarah Wilson joins us now to break down the numbers. Sarah?
Dennis, the United Way says nearly 30% of Pennsylvanians can't afford basic needs, things like housing and health care. And while that number may seem high, experts say they're not surprised. She's your neighbor, your friend, maybe even your family member. Alice. She's an acronym for 1.3 million Pennsylvanians, and she represents
basically a portion of our community who is asset limited, income constrained, and employed.
Alice doesn't fall below the poverty line, but doesn't make enough to afford basic essentials.
2 in 5 households in Lebanon County are Alice.
A fact the United Way of Pennsylvania wants people to know.
The Alice community in and of itself, people who earn above the federal poverty level, is about 27% of our population. Add that with the federal poverty level folks of about 10% of households, and you're at 37% within Lebanon County.
Those are statistics United Way is trying to change by bringing awareness and resources to those in PA who need it the most.
This is not an isolated problem that's just in the city of Lebanon. That communities and residents of Palmyra and Annville, Myerstown, and so forth are experiencing this problem.
But there's help for Alice households.
We do have tools within the community that are available, and I think the best example would be 211, which is our non-emergency hotline.
That non-emergency hotline can connect you to services and resources, things like food assistance, housing, and child care. Beyond assistance, United Way wants people to know there's hope.
Some people can see these numbers and think, oh, there's nothing I can do. Really, truly, the data is available to help to increase the resources and to help us have a roadmap for how we can start talking to elected officials about policies and decisions that affect the Alice community.
And again, remember, those numbers are from before the pandemic. Now, the United Way says they only expect the need for resources to rise when they look through their data from 2020 and 2021. In the studio, Sarah Wilson, ABC 27 News.